And look what showed up today. I guess I'll call this an unboxing. I don't care much about unboxings. But hey, it's kind of fun. Ooh. Pull up like this. Okay. Get some sort of an X. Oh, look at that. Cool. Echt Kölnisch Wasser. Got the 200 ml. I think it's the splash one. Thought that would be nice just to go with my shaving stuff. Check this out. This is a cheapie. I kind of got it as much for as an ingredient as cologne on its own. Oh, it's potent. Yeah, it's a very strong kind of rose. I thought this might be nice with well, with this. Honestly, potential for having a rose and oud built up that way. But let's talk about that in a second. Indonesian oud. So this is Xenia Indonesian oud by Ministry of Oud. These guys actually do a pretty good job. I'll open these on a separate take. I have the one that's the version of the night, and I love it. It's kind of funky, strong rose. I like it a lot. Anyway, so check that one out. And so I got two of them. Thailand Oud in Cairo. So this is meant to be Luxor. And it's supposed to be sort of a dusty, sort of oudy, spicy souk smell. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, there's something else in here. Cool. Sergio. Cruz del Sur. Cool. Check that out. Alright, I'm going to clean up here and open some of these boxes.